Welcome back. It's been a long break from YouTube for you guys.
It's been 2 months.
2 months we've been away, and I apologize. As you guys know, been very busy with the shop. Thank you to all you for your guys' support. But it is now our race season. We are going to be picking up the camera again to share that along with you guys. Some big changes have gone on with VA bait. As you guys have been seeing, we've done some over winter, and we are out here today at our very first track day, season opener. Hopefully this goes better than it did last year. This is an actual event, so I'm really hoping that they are prepping the track more than what we had last year, because last year we couldn't hook anything. So I am going to turn the car down today just to try to get an A to B pass. We got a lot of things to dial in. We have a longer gear ratio. We have a little bit bigger turbocharger that we're going to have to see about getting it off the line. Aerodynamic changes on the car, and new shifter that we are testing in the car as well. So I'm going to show you guys what the car looks like now. We are going to go get in line, but here we are. Here is the all-new VA bait. Guys, as you guys remember, we put these carbon fiber fenders on here from JDM Muscle. With the slicks on here, this is the first time I got to see it actually with all of them on here, and it is nice to see this thing back together again. We also got JDM Muscle's fog light deletes there, really cleans up the front of the car, closing that up. And as you guys all know, it is a hood exit now. So a little bit of a change. We've always been on the fender exit. Everybody kind of followed suit later on, and I decided to change things up and go to a titanium hood exit, which Strayed Fabrication and does all the fabrication work on here, and they absolutely killed it. Northwest Print Co. made us a banner up here. As you can see, our banner, BBR Tuned, looking good. Drop down below if you want us to go ahead and make those available to you guys. Thinking about making them a production item, but here we are, guys. I'm really excited with how the car has turned out. Strayed also made us some mirror deletes for the car. And we have an all-new drag wing on the car, redesigned parachute, vented rear bumpers, vented fenders up there. Like I said, guys, some aerodynamic changes. Hopefully see this thing go faster this year than we ever have. That is the goal. Big shout out for the sponsors that came on this year. IAG is one of them. As you can see there, they helped us out with getting our dog box in here, and we do have an IAG XZE triple disc clutch in here. Kozmic, they have been a supporter in the background for actually since the beginning of this. Big shout out to my guy David over there. And as you guys know, they have the fastest VA in the world right now. Hopefully try to chip our way down closer in the 8.0 territory, but we got a long ways to go for that. This car's only been an 895, and as you guys know, it takes a lot of hard work to get down there. So I'm just looking to get closer to where we were last season. This thing went a 570 in the 8th. If we can get back to that realm pretty close in the beginning of the season, I would really like that. And then to give you an idea for those you don't know what 8th mile stuff is, 570 translates to about an 860, 870 pass. So I'd like to see that. What are you, off-roading?
Yeah, it's an off-road, it's a Safari 911.
I see a Subaru badge on the front.
Fuck out of here, there you go.
Subaru.
Get out of here.
Hey, your head gasket's leaking.
That's the other car.
Oh, sorry, I got the 6-cylinder mixed up.
Someone made it a little too spicy.
And he said he wanted me to go up. I'm gonna go get in tech, guys. I'm sorry for talking your ear off. Welcome back. Hopefully you guys enjoy the race season. I couldn't be more excited to be getting back out here. It's been a long winter, and I'm excited to get my girl out here and work out some kinks and see what we can do. Also, I did say that Kozmic has came on and been with us since the beginning. We are testing a shifter. The shifter is in fact made by Kozmic Motorsports, and I'm gonna give you a small glimpse in here. No more interior down there. And we are testing the lockout shifter, and when I say testing, I am testing it. They've already tested this. This is a working item that they are putting into production. So if you are into drag racing your Subaru and you have a dog box transmission or even a stock transmission, which this would work well as well, but mostly dog box, this is going to be something that's available to you soon. So I'm testing it for myself this year. We already did it on the dyno. It's working really good. As you guys know, I had the dog box in this thing last time, and I had a real issue with money shifting it. So let's hope this thing works well today. I'm going to be learning and adapting to that new shifter and getting the car to leave. Longer gear means I'm going to have to hit it harder off the line, so we're going to have to see how things go today. Everybody knows you got to start the year off with a two-step check, so I'm going to check this out. See, I have the launch arc in pretty high right now. Josh, you want to hold it? We got to do a two-step check. All right. quick. Nice 25 pounds, pretty instantly. Okay. I say that's pretty successful there. I got to give it out to Motec for the launch control strategy. Definitely working very good. I'm very happy at that. So should be good to go. I was worried about getting the car to leave that longer first gear. Hopefully we can just get it out of the hole and get it down. They said prep it should be really good today, which this track's always been a little bit on the lesser side, which kind of helps the all-wheel drive. So we'll see what happens today. What do you think, Corey?
I think you're gonna go at 8 off the trailer and we're gonna be turning it up all day long.
Thanks. You're very gun-ho. I'm over here like, I just want an A to B. Corey's over here like, yeah, you're doing a 6-second pass off the trailer. No. Yeah, maybe 6 to the 8. No. We'll see what happens. I'm afraid of the shutdown here. Boys, I didn't show you one thing on here. I guess I could have popped the hood, huh? So with continuing of the changes on the car, there's a bunch of little things. The titanium hood exit, obviously, would be the main thing you're gonna see. And then we do have a booster delete. So with the booster delete, we have like no brakes. And this place doesn't have a very ideal shutdown. And yeah, I have a chute, but I'm a little concerned. So we'll see. I might not be no bitch and we're going through the end.
Just remember, pump the brakes twice and hope they grab.
You know, when you panic, you just press them. You don't sit there and pump. You'll see me bouncing up and down the car, pumping the brakes, trying to get this thing to stop. Just stopping it in the pits, this fucking thing doesn't stop. So, I don't know. I guess I should take out this, huh?
At some point before you actually go, you might want to pull.
Have you guys see that on there when I leave the line? It was nice knowing you, because I'm dead.
Every time.
A little squirrely there. Damn.
You might need to turn it down just a little bit.
He told me he did turn it down from what he had it on the dyno.
From what he had, okay. When he made 1400 wheel.
Yeah.
Fine. Alright, first pass. You know, I was worried about the car not leaving. I put way too much power in that shit, so I'm gonna back it down because obviously we don't need that much. It left on way too much, so we had to let out. Got pretty squirrely. I didn't want to hit their timing cone. That was my trend. You know, I did that the last year. So made sure to miss their timing cone, let out, coasted the rest of the pass. Had to push the car back as I smelled a bunch of fuel. And one of the injector O-rings just seems that it didn't get fully seated because I had just pulled the injectors to get them clean. So cleaned that up, went over the car, cleaned out the belly pan on there, and turned the car down a lot, like half that power, because apparently I've never seen it leave so hard it smoked the tires.
Oh my goodness.
So it's gonna turn her down. But the shifter, that shit's working. And, wow, I'm gonna cool down for a minute.
You pulled the chute, bud. Was it fast?
Holy shit.
It was fast, yeah. I pulled the chute. I didn't pull it all last year. I pulled the chute. Phenomenal. Worked great. still overpowering the track, guys. It left great, the power I took out of the leave. 140 on the 60 foot, 40 at the 330, so we're on a good route there, but then I just overpowered it. 6.3 at 113 at the 8th, not ideal.
You were still so squirrely.
9.5 at 157 with old girl turned down. So, you know how it goes. Aaron is my good friend in the other lane in the Evo, and you know how us STI boys feel about losing to an Evo, so I stayed in it. So if you're watching, Aaron, good race. That was fun. But I'm just happy to see it leave. I mean, what I did on the launch worked. Out the back, I mean, we're just gonna have to get kind of creative at this point. I mean, getting the car trying to hook up is all. It did the same thing again. I thought I had the injector ring all the way seated, and apparently something else is going on because it's got fuel up there, and that's obviously dangerous. So we're gonna give it a good look over, see what's going on. I thought it was kind of weird how it was starting and it wasn't firing right away. Like there's something going on. So we're just gonna give a good look over the fuel system, get it dialed, look at the log, and then yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to do at this point because I know we're overpowering track. So maybe pull some power out of it and try to add it up top because it was eating up top. This shifter is so nice. Like I felt so comfortable, confident is the word I'm looking for grabbing a gear, and it worked. So big shout out to Kozmic. I mean, a dog box to do a full pass, so definitely really good there. So give it a good look over, clean all this fuel off, and I'm gonna eat. Boy, hungry.
That's a motor right there.
Hi.
She's so mad.
A woman?
Which way are we pushing?
I don't care.
Oh, it's hilarious.
I wouldn't push them right
96 and 115, baby.
Dude, that's insane.
Right.
Yeah.
Where are we putting this?
I gave her a little soft there. I was trying to turn around.
Recognize titanium that is.
Or you're in my way.
Else to record this. I need someone else to. I can't fucking do both.
All right, boys, we're gonna finish out today, end this out. Not quite on the page I wanted to. Obviously, no one wants to have engine issues going in the first event of the year, but that is how it goes sometimes, and we will take that as getting data for the car. I am really happy on that last pass with what we did on the short track, especially with the prep here. Not the most ideal, but I'll show the slip. Here we are. Try to go in the shade. So hopefully it'll focus. 137 on the 60 foot, 395 at the 330. The 6.0 was, or sorry, the 8th is 6.02 at 125. If you look at the draggy log, it shows the car already had laid down before the 8th there. The moment I went in the 3rd and the boost ramp I had, Rodney said, "I'm done, dog, I am out." So that's just how it goes. We're gonna take it as data. We'll get another unit in here, clean it up, but I am happy with the car, the suspension, the leave, focusing on it, and that is my best 60 foot I've ever done. So it definitely is a big step in the right direction. This lockout shifter from Kozmic is working flawlessly. We have a lot more room to go, especially once we get the strain gauge set up on it. Right now I'm still clutching the car, but I'm able to drive the car and have confidence to go to the next gear. So that's huge with the dog box. I feel very comfortable with the car. It makes me feel like, you know, I have the factory trans in there and I can be confident to go to the next gear. So really happy with how it's working. That pass, I really focused on revving each gear out further. I felt like it would have been a really good pass as long as, you know, we had better traction. Obviously that is the big issue here. As you see, the car keeps getting really loose. It's just, I simply can't put down the power I want here with the setup I have. You know, with more dialing in and slowing the boost ramp down, of course we could get it, but the way I'm adding boost is not gonna work. So we're gonna wrap it up here, boys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It's gonna wrap it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry it's been a couple months, just been busy, but here we are at race season, and that's a wrap for this one. We are all dying of the heat. I'm ready to get in the damn truck and get some AC going. You done or what? You ready to push this fucking file?
That's Bader.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks. We didn't have the fire picture this time. We had a smoke picture.
Hey, and there was no mess on the tracks.
Yeah, that's the other thing, guys. You know, you see this? We have the belly pan on it, and it caught 95% of everything. When we got down there, there was a little trail. They checked the track. There was a couple drops on the track, but everything stayed contained. The catch can in the back of the car contained everything. I don't think you're going to be able to see, but there is a belly pan underneath that caught all the oil. And then having the exhaust up over the roof, I mean, most of the windshield caught everything else, and it's really only to here. So definitely good for everybody else racing. I don't want to ruin their day. What?
I didn't see that.
That's my new tint job. I was testing out that banner strength.
Got it.
So very not ideal moment, but we're gonna get old girl pushed into the trailer and call it a day. Later, Tanner, did I ever tell you you're fucking bad luck to me, pal?
Bro, you literally gave me a bath of coolant. I don't want to hear
There
it.
is nothing on your car.
I
That is a
cleaned it off
lie.
with your glass cleaner.
Uh-huh.
Because that's what you told me to use for cleaning everything. How am I the bad luck? You're the one who chimneyed.
Me?
I didn't tell you.
You took too long to go.
Dude,
You took
I
so
was
long
not.
that I chimneyed.
I was not going to go before you.
Why not?
After watching all day,
I was in my lane.
I didn't
cross.
That's why I
I didn't
waited.
cross.
I didn't know.
I was just trying to touch the tip to
I
you.
was just trying to be nice and give you the courtesy of going first.
I can't believe you. We just had to grab a lane.
Hey, it was exciting. I just brought the wrong car and you know.
I brought the right car.
I brought the wrong one.
You brought the wrong car.
I mean, I was so tempted to just try to stay in it and just try to pass you at the end.
Yeah. You could have. They look fast from your angle.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just saw the outside view. Not ideal. I felt like it was a lot straighter in the car. It's always hard to make that judgment in the car because I didn't feel bad, but
Dude, as soon as I saw the smoke, I was like, I'm like, because I didn't know if it was fire or if it was coolant coming out or the thing. So I was like, all right, fuck, I'm gonna let off, coast out, go check on him, make sure he's good. And then you get out and you're like, it's a fucking rod. Fucking, I was like, all right, he's good.
Yeah, we're good. She's seeing worse in her life.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas. Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus. The bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment. The moment, the moment. Fool, take a gas and 200 on the dash. Bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane.